In today's video, I'm going to share with you my secrets to get organized around your house. Now, if you're like me and still have some back to school shopping to do, Walmart has everything you need from school supplies to all of those tech items that we need to pick up. And I want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I needed to get some last minute tech items for my girls, and the prices at Walmart are just so affordable. So Caroline was needing a new laptop, so I got the HP 14-inch laptop PC, and when she saw that it was pink, she was super excited. It's super lightweight. This is going to be perfect for her homework this year, and it's not going to be too bulky in her backpack. Now, my other daughter, Annabelle, needed some headphones, so I went ahead and picked her up the Beats Studio Pro headphones. I have a set of these, and they're really comfortable to wear over your ears. They also have the noise cancellation, which is great for flying or if you're just needing to focus. Walmart also has great deals on the small tech items that we all need. I got some new charging cables, and then I also got a portable charger. So don't worry if you're needing any last minute tech, school supplies, or everyday essentials, Walmart is going to have them. I'll have everything linked for you down in the description box below if you have any last minute shopping to do. Even if you don't have anybody going back to school, this is the best time of year to stock up on cute office supplies. And Walmart has some great options, like this bag right here. This little pencil pouch I think is so adorable. I had to pick this up, really affordable. And notebooks. I use notebooks all throughout the year. This is when I can get the best prices and the best selection. I found this one and just thought it was so adorable. Not only are the pencil cases over in the back to school section perfect for all your pens, but I love to pick these up this time of year to use as my travel containers. I think this one is gorgeous, and I can take this as a travel case year round. When I saw this clear pencil case, I knew it would be perfect for all of my car essentials. You know those things that you always need when you're in your car and you just don't have? So let's put that together. The other cool thing is I love that it's clear. So if I'm like, I wonder if I have a hair tie, I can just pull this out and see if I have it. Let me know if you have any other ideas for how to use pencil cases in your house. So now that I have all the supplies that my girls need to be ready for back to school, I also picked up some great items at Walmart to organize around my house. So one of the areas I really need to refresh are these two drawers over here. These are my office supply drawers, and we reach in here daily to get pens, scissors, all the things we use, and I have to say they definitely need a refresh. So this is the perfect time to do it because Walmart has all their school supplies out right now on great deal. So I ordered some new items, so let's refresh together. The first thing I'm gonna do is just start by taking everything out of these drawers. I'm gonna clean them really good, and I have some great little organizers, so I'll probably put those back in. So I tried to pick out things that I thought we would use throughout the year and really needed, like school supplies we actually reach for and get. My girls use a ton of these Post-its. I like them too. They also use these like Post-it flags. They're always asking me to get these. Now that we have our acrylic trays in here, I'm gonna fill everything up. So what I like to do is put the items that I reach for the most frequently at the front so I can get to them. The things that I don't use as often, those are gonna be in the back. Now with these larger containers like this, that's where you're gonna put your pens and your scissors. And honestly, the scissors are the things I reach for the most. So those are gonna go at the front. So I bought this new pack of scissors. Now, one of my tips whenever you're doing scissors, as you can see as I was pulling those out, there was all different ones. I like to get a similar scissor for certain areas. That way you know it goes back there. So this is a good thing for your family. They know if they see the green scissors, they need to return them to the pantry. Now, the next item I'm gonna use the most are these Sharpie S gel pens. If you've never used these before, they're some of my favorite pens. I'm gonna continue to put in pens and markers because those need to go in these longer containers. Now we're gonna add in the Post-its. Now we'll put in our Post-it flags. We go through a lot of tape, so I definitely need to restock this. One thing I love to do this time of year is make pre-made snacks that I can put in my refrigerator. This just is great to have a snack to grab that's a little bit healthier, and I'm not spending a lot of money for pre-made snacks. So I'm gonna be filling up my different snack containers with just a few different options. First one, we're gonna do pretzels, cream cheese, and everything bagel seasoning. Let's do a meat and cheese one. All right, our third option, apples, peanut butter, and a few chocolate chips. Forgot to tell you guys what we're doing on this one. It's grapes and cheese cubes. Now we can put them in the fridge. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Answer the question of the day. What area in your house do you need to organize? One of the problems that I have over here on my desk is I don't have any drawers or anything. So usually my laptop cord is just sitting out here and it doesn't look the best. So I'm trying to come up with a way that I can disguise it when I'm not sitting here. So I have something I want to try that's a little out of the box. So this is a bread box. You can order it on walmart.com. And my idea was maybe I could hide my different chargers in here. So on the back, what I did was I drilled 2 holes in the back here to fit my cords through. I'm gonna set it over here. I have an outlet over here, so I'm going to move some of my stuff out of the way. So my thought was I could take my laptop cord and feed it through here, plug it in, and when I'm not using it, it can just sit in here. The other thing I'm always using over here is my charger, so I'm gonna feed that through the top and then keep the charger in here so I don't have to see it sitting out. And then I'll plug both of those into the outlet over here. Now on this top shelf, I'm just gonna put some of the items that I like to have sitting out. If you wanna disguise anything, just put it inside. So whenever I need to charge my laptop, I can just pull it out and charge it up. Now, if you're getting ready for back to school, you may be thinking about lunches. What are you going to serve? And Walmart came out with this new line of bento boxes this year. These are really great. So I've washed everything and then I'm gonna put it back together. Today we're gonna make a pizza kit for lunch. Now, if you haven't used these before, they're leak proof and you can just put it directly in a lunchbox. We're gonna add in some non-dippers. Another cool thing is our container comes with a little sauce jar, so that we're gonna add in our pasta sauce. Next, we'll add in turkey pepperonis, mozzarella cheese. Maybe that's a little too much cheese. I'm also gonna add in some grapes. It's good to go. I picked up this frame at Walmart and I wanted to show you guys how you could make a DIY dry erase board, which is perfect to put in your office. So I'm gonna start by removing the contents of this frame. So I'm gonna leave the glass piece in my frame. Next, with this backing, I'm gonna place it on a piece of scrapbook paper. And this is what I'm gonna see on the back. Next, I'll trace around it and cut it out. I'll put that piece of scrapbook paper back in my frame. I'm gonna add back in the backing piece. And this is what it looks like. You are gonna need to pick up some dry erase markers so that you can write directly on here. Now, I've been trying to find a spot to organize all of our board games. And this cabinet, you guys, it is so random right now. I have so many just things that don't make sense in here. So I really want to clean out this cabinet so I can start organizing my board games a little bit better. Now, Moose gets really excited about this cabinet because this is where we store his toys. So he's eager for me to open this. These containers right now have Moose's toys, and we definitely need to put these back in here. But I want to, oh, there you go. I feel like this cabinet needs some clear bins. So I found these over in the laundry organization aisle at Walmart, and I got 4 of them. Oh my gosh, that fits perfectly. Now they do come with lids. I'm not gonna use the lids just because I want to be able to throw things in and out. But I think for the bottom here, these are gonna be perfect for his toys. All right, so we're just going to add in his toys. So I feel like all of this up here, we just need to clear out and find a new home. So I think because these bins are so big, I could put all of his toys in one. And then this one, I'll put like random things. Like we have gum, Kleenexes, just things we use frequently. As long as this cabinet's open, I think Moose is going to be playing with his toys. But the thing I really wanted was a place to organize all my board games, and they fit so nicely in here. I'm gonna put the bins up here with my board games. Now, if you just wanted to stack board games, you could do that as well. I just think these clear containers are nice because they hold everything and you can see what's inside. It looks so much more organized now. Now, if you guys remember when we put in this office area, I did all of these cabinets on either side here just so we could have great storage, organization, and it's been wonderful. But I will say it definitely needs to be cleaned out. So this cabinet right here, this is where we keep all of our filming equipment. So I come here, Delaney comes here, and we just kind of keep everything in here, except for the camera we're filming on right now. But we want to make it a little bit more organized and also kind of clean out some stuff that we may not be using anymore. First thing we got to do is pull everything out and get rid of what we're not using anymore. Now, at one point we got really organized. We did label everything, but a lot of this we're not using. So right here we have a bunch of gimbals. So we need to pull these out and figure out if we're still using these. So this is our new gimbal that we use all the time. So I feel like this one we don't use anymore. We're gonna have to get rid of this. We're finding all kinds of exciting things back here. A game of Uno. Okay, so this is where we actually store our gimbal, and we have this nice plug in the back, and then we have a bunch of charging things in here. I gotta go through all this. Now, when we are filming in store and you guys see us, this is the bag that I bring. I've had this forever, but we should probably go through it. Really, we only keep 2 cameras in here. I have this little vlogging camera, which the only time I really use this is when I'm spray painting outside. So I keep that in here, but there's just a lot of little cords that we should go through. This is our mic, so this is how we get good audio. And then I'm sure we're gonna find lots of batteries. I had to take a video on my phone just because our camera normally goes in here, but we moved things around and I feel like this is going to be more efficient for us when we film. It's completely empty. Let's vacuum it out and get it ready to put everything back in. All right, let's start reorganizing. Definitely our camera bag is going back here. I think Delaney and I wouldn't know where to find it if it wasn't on this shelf. So I do also think I wanna put the gimbals back up here. Now, one thing I wanna show you guys, one of my favorite ways to organize in cabinets is with turntables. What's great about this is you can put smaller items and turn it and get to what you need. So I thought this might work to help us organize in here for all those little things. Like there's so many like cords and batteries that you have in a cabinet like this. This one I picked up at Walmart. It's actually for the bathroom, but you can use this anywhere in your home. So I'm gonna lay these gimbals up top, and a lot of these are just like tripods that I use. Now this gimbal I'm gonna keep down here because this is the one we use all the time and we have to have it plugged in. And we have an outlet in the back so we can keep this plugged in. All right, I'm gonna fill this up with all the odds and ends that we have around here. This is the container where I keep all of my SD cards, and luckily it fits in there really nicely. Now these are all of our battery chargers, so I'm gonna put those in here, and then if I have any like stray batteries, I'm gonna throw those in as well. One of the things I really don't like is cords, but a hack you can do is actually to twist these up and hold them in place with a binder clip. These are really inexpensive. You can get a whole pack at Walmart, but I'm just going to put the binder clip on and it will hold them in place, and I'll throw those into my container. Okay, what I love about this is anytime I need to get to something, I can just spin this around and pull up the item I need. I think that's it, and I have space on the bottom. Over here in my office, I need to get these cabinets organized. These are cabinets that I am in and out of every day, and they really need to be cleaned out. Just with my job, I get a lot of packages. So we put all of the packages that come in down here. These are some returns that I need to get out. I keep office supplies here, but nothing is organized. So I need to take everything out, figure out what I want to keep and what needs to go back in here. Most of this pretty much needs to go. Now, normally what we'll do is when we're filming a video, we'll kind of store certain things here, but we have old things that have been in here for several months. So let's pull everything out and get rid of what we don't need. So up here, most of these are returns. I'm just gonna set these aside and get them returned. Okay, this is leather cleaner that I used on one of my purses. It doesn't really fit in here, but where do you store leather cleaner? I don't know. So this office supplies bothers me. I really need to reorganize this because I reach in here all the time. I always get the measuring tape and my scissors, so I want to make this a little bit more organized. All right, we got this whole side cleaned out. Now let's go over here. Okay, this is gonna be harder because there's some items that I definitely wanna keep. So these I use to make like a fun gift basket. So I wanna keep those. Maybe I'll just have a shelf of things that I feel like I'm gonna use and maybe need to store in here. I love seeing this cleaned out. I'm gonna vacuum it out and just put a few things back in here. So one thing I ordered on Walmart.com is this organizer right here. I usually have papers and notebooks sitting out, and I was wanting somewhere that I could hide this away. So I'm gonna put this shelf right here on the top shelf. That way I can store everything in here and it's completely out of the way. So I think this is gonna be good for all of my random office supplies. I'm gonna put it over here for now. I may put it on another shelf, we'll see. So I only wanna put items in here that I truly reach for. My scissors, that I'm always grabbing the scissors. So those are gonna stay in the same spot. Also, I always am grabbing my tape measure. I'm gonna put those in here as well. I'm gonna add my cables over here. All right, so most of this I got cleaned out. I'm going to put some items back in here that I know I'm gonna use in the future. So I'm gonna give myself one shelf, but the rest of it is ready to go when we get in any new packages. Let me know down in the comments what room of your house you need to get organized, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.